Good morning, students. Welcome to Sai Study Center. Today we are going to learn easy and a very short trick to find the cube roots. No big calculation, no memorying of anything. But the very simple prerequisite for to know the find the cube roots very easily is knowing the cube of first 10 numbers. That is, you all know that. Let's start that. Write it. List out in this board in this corner. So the one cube will be. I think my pen is little broader. We can reduce the size of the pen. Yeah, one cube is 1. 2 cube is equal to. So we are going to find the cube of here. 2 cube is equal to 8. 3 cube is equal to 27. You all know this. So by time being, need not to spend time to memory this. If you keep on practicing with this, it's very easy for you to memorize. So 4 cube is equal to 64. 5 cube is equal to, likewise you have to write 5 cube is equal to 125. It's very simple, you can easily remember this. And 6 cube is equal to 216. See, this type of finding out the square root and the cube root to in a quick manner helpful for us to make answers very quickly and almost very fast. It will be time saving habit when you are doing any Olympiad exam or any competitive exam, because these are the very small things which will take most of our time. So this is one of the easiest method, I can say. 8 cube is equal to 512. Last we are going to wind up. Stop it here. 9 cube is equal to, you know that it is 729. And one important thing, after finding out this, you should remember that what is the last digit of this cube number. So sorry, I have made 100 here. Let me erase it. So we'll write 10 cube is equal to, yes, 10 cube is equal to 1000. So now you should remember this, all the cube of this numbers. And important thing is, I'm sorry, and the important thing is you have to remember this, what are the last digits of this number. And 2, 8 you can easily remember because for 2 it is ending up with 8, for 8 it is ending up with 2. So quickly you can remember this, because by remembering this last digit only, we are going to find out our cube root easily. For example, we will take a number of, it's easy, we can do it in a 3 steps. So I'm considering this number 3. This is the number to which I have to get the cube root. This is a big number. Generally, we will put that prime division method, then whatever the number is repeated 3 times, you have to do it. So instead of that, simply, this is what the comma in our number. So no problem. When this is the case, you have to always look for your what is the last digit. This is the step 1. What is the last digit? It is 8. In our list out 1 to 10, which number is having end with 8? So 2 cube. Write 2 cube without hesitation. Now you don't consider this last 3 digit. You leave this now. You have to now concentrate on this first 3 digit. See, in this, what is this 373? Where it, what is the nearby cube root of this number? You can look into this table. So 373 is lies between 7 cube and 8 cube. So 343 is the very near number to your 373. So it is, you can write what is that cube? 7 cube. So cube root of 7 is 72. 72 is the answer. And one more example we'll do. We'll go with 2,74,625. So here also the same procedure goes. You have to check what is your last digit 5. So we know that this is the only number. 5 is the only number ending up with 5. So you can write 5. Now you strike out these three. You have to now look into this 274. 274 cube is resting between 6 cube and 7 cube. Right? So it is very closer to your 6 cube. So we can write this as 65. So cube root of this particular number is 65. So I hope this will be very helpful for you while you are doing your Olympiad or any competitive exam. Within 2 seconds, you can find the answer. I'll repeat the steps once again. First, to focus on the last digit of the number given. Then strike out those digits, last 3 digits. Then take care of the what are the rest of the digits. So according to that, it will be lies between which cube numbers, because we know already what is the cube for 1 to 100, 1 to 10. So between which it is resting and which is very closer to that, you write that number, you will get the cube root of that number given. Thank you children. I hope it will be very useful for you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share among with your friends. Thank you.